He's gonna let me know soon.
He can't just pick it?
He's gonna let me know soon. Did you?
No, I haven't ordered anything because I'm waiting for you. I can't find this one in different
Nothing else
2x2. No, so do you want one of these?
Let me see. What have you been doing this whole time?
It's my dance moves right there. Did you add the faucets?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Did you add the
I haven't had anything else.
casing? No, you want
Rex.
Rex? Shims?
Rex.
Floors? Bonita? Countertop? Hot lights? Moving away right? Or you want whatever?
That'll be through Simra.
Okay. Wood trim?
Rex.
One solid core 6-panel door. Rex. Stain.
Let me check. Sink. Kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink, you're right. What kind of sink? Did you send him any pictures?
No.
Remember, hold the lights, please.
Okay.
Thanks for holding.
Hey, do you guys have a 6-panel door solid core in stock?
No, we normally bring them into order.
And how long does that take?
Well, right now they're closed until June the 10th for COVID.
Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So see, Home Depot has a solid core door now.
Measurements? You want 2 or 1 for the sink?
I know. Hey, kitchen sink. You want a single or a double? One big sink?
Is this one okay? Can you send him a picture?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll send you a photo of what I'm talking about. But yeah, I agree with you. That one big sink will look better. It's not like you're hoarding dishes. Thanks. Bye.
Are you in stock?
Is that the only one?
It looks like it for that price.
Hello. Can you find out when the painters are coming back here? Yeah, you good for today? Are you good for today? And what stuff you planning? Okay, cool. Thank you.
Does he want one like this? A small one like this? It's around the same cost.
It's not gonna match.
It's gray glass. Is that? But it's like. But it's a small sink, huh? It's one single. If you want stainless steel, it's the same price, 15-inch.
No, it's tiny. That's 18. That's tiny. This is. Out of stock. Oh. See if it's on solid cores. Maybe that. 32 by 80 by 1 3/8. 6-panel interior solid door. Check other stores.
But it says it's there. Yeah, no. Yeah, you'd have to always pay separate for that delivery.
Stock at nearby stores.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
So
let's take it.
We're gonna need it at some point. So.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Anything
does that
else?
make sense?
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Okay. Stain, solid cut door, wood trim, spotlight, countertop, more ceiling tiles, transition, hinges. Hinges we gotta pick up. That's by. Can you look up a hardware store?
1 second. Hardware store 4?
Around here.
Yeah.
We need 27 of them.
27 what? Hinges?
Yeah. In brush
I got it.
or satin nickel finish, whatever. Not
That's
that. Cheap for the
27.
hinges.
Okay.
Let's go pick up the stuff. Are you gonna finish this?
No, I can just come.
Huh?
Come because I got something to eat.
Yeah. Close this way? Or just slightly closer?
Good afternoon, Mr. Service Center.
Hey, I'm outside. I gotta pick up some hinges. Are you guys letting people into the store or just phone order?
No, just the side door.
Okay, where's that?
Underneath the panel. Did you order already?
No, I gotta order now.
How many items do you need?
I just need some hinges. I need hinges.
Just
That's
one
it.
item. Okay, just come to the side door. Just one item, right?
Well, no, it's not one. It's 27, but they're all the same.
Okay, 27 pieces.
27, yeah, 4.5 by 4-inch heavy-duty hinges.
Oh, okay, one moment.
Family run.
Hello, can I help you?
Hey, can I place an order with you?
Sure, is it for pickup?
Yeah, I'm outside.
What is it?
4.5 inch by 4-inch hinges, heavy-duty ones, in brushed nickel.
How many are you looking for?
27.
I have to see if I've got them then. You want them with the ball bearing or no?
Yeah,
What was the size?
4.5 by 4.
You want to hold on one sec? I'll see if I got them.
Yeah, please.
Is that all you're looking for?
I'm also looking for 6, like 3.5 by 3.5 round hinges, like the little ones, or regular ones.
What color?
Brushed nickel.
They're all brushed nickel, right?
Yeah,
Let me see what I got, okay? Hold on, okay?
thank you.
Hello, sir?
Hey,
Yeah, so the 4.5 by 4 ball bearing hinge, it's satin nickel is the only one I got in stock right now.
I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that'll
got
be
that.
fine. Yeah,
How many did you want?
27.
Okay, and then the other, the 3x3, unfortunately, all I have in those guys right now is like bright brass.
That's 3.5 by 3.5.
That's all I've got is bright brass.
Okay, don't worry about those ones for now. The heavy duty ones
Okay,
are more
but-
important.
You want the 27 of these things?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem, buddy. I'll get it ready for you.
Do I pay over the phone or pay in person?
No, you can go to the side door of the building. There's a pay station right there. What's your name?
Victor.
Victor?
Yeah.
Okay, just go in there and say you're picking up some hinges for Victor, okay?
Perfect. Thank you. Final Pro. Oh, maybe here is the
It
side.
says no trucks. Check that out.
8 feet. No, we're not considered a truck. We're considered a. Yeah, we're way clear.
Cycle.
So right now, obviously, because of COVID, they don't have a lot of space. And so we're only using the side door, and it's just gonna pick up the stuff. We'll pick it up and we'll get ready to go and install over there. It's pretty neat. It's nice and covered. I haven't been to this place before, so this is the first time that we've been here, just to get to know. Since everything's closed down, Home Depot's closed down, Lowe's is closed down, I've been able to find all sorts of new suppliers for wood, trim, hardware, electrical, plumbing. So, you know, kind of getting around and getting to know all these people is pretty cool. We're getting there with this project. It seems like there's a lot to do. It seems like there's a lot more to do than there is. Although the last 20% of the project usually takes about a long time. It's the same. Anyway, whatever. Nonetheless, there isn't as much to do. It just looks that way because it's dirty. But and there's stuff all over the place. Once we spend some time cleaning everything out, putting all the tools back in the trailer, getting rid of all the garbage, you'll see that the space really opens up. And when you look at it, then it's just really not a lot to do. Just get some trim in, and then some final touches, and you get it. All right, let's bounce.